Encountered a BF file with bizarre-looking code that's just symbols and brackets? Welcome to one of programming's most infamous esoteric languages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what Brainfuck is and how to actually run these minimalist programs. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium BF file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. BF files are source code files written in Brainfuck, an esoteric minimalist programming language created by Urban Müller in 1993. The language uses only 8 single-character commands to manipulate a memory array and perform input-output operations, making it intentionally difficult to read but Turing-complete in computational capability. Brainfuck BF files use plain ASCII text containing only 8 valid instruction characters, plus Han representing pointer movement cell, increment, decrement, output, input, and loop control. All other characters are treated as comments. Programs operate on a byte array with a movable data pointer, executing instructions sequentially with bracket-based looping. The fundamental reading standard for BF is set by Brainfuck interpreter from Urban Müller. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows allows inspection of the code, but safe operation requires compatible environments. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your BF file and click Open With. If Brainfuck interpreter is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If the BF file won't open, don't panic. Errors with the BF format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, running with an interpreter. Search for a Brainfuck interpreter online or download one from GitHub. Web-based interpreters at sites like copy.sh Brainfuck let you paste BF code and execute it instantly in your browser. For desktop use, install a Python-based Brainfuck interpreter and run python bfpi yourfile.bf from the command line. Next, reading the source code. Open the BF file in any text editor. The code consists entirely of the 8 instruction characters. Study the bracket pairs, which define loops and trace the pointer movements and cell modifications to understand the program logic. Comment characters are anything outside the 8 instructions and help document the code. Finally, writing and debugging. Use a visual Brainfuck, IDE, or debugger that shows the memory tape state and current instruction pointer during execution. Tools like the Brainfuck. Visualizer step through code 1. Instruction at a time, displaying the memory array values. Pointer position and output buffer for understanding program behavior. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.